Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, class students. Well, for this meeting, we are talking about some methods of language teaching. This method is already old. This is the background of the current language teaching method. Well, what are they? They are one, grammar translation method, direct method, reading approach, audiolingual method, the silent way, Suggestopedia, community language learning, total cycle response, the natural way, communicative language teaching. So there are around 10 teaching methods in this meeting. Okay, now we discuss one by one of them. First, it is grammar translation method. It is the first method in 19th century early. Grammar translation method is a systematic study of the prescribed grammar of classical Latin and classical text. Instruction given in mother tongue. It means that the explanation in the classroom situation in mother tongue, not in a target language. Teacher does not have to be able to speak target language. Okay. Drills are exercises in translating disconnected sentences from the target language into the mother tongue and vice versa. Well, this method emphasize on grammar only, and then the explanation in classroom situation in mother tongue. For example, Indonesian, teacher explain the English materials in Indonesian language, not in English as a target language. Okay, next we continue to direct approach in 1886. Direct approach established phonetics becomes an issue in language teaching. So direct methods emphasize on phonetic of the target language. No use of the mother tongue is permitted. It means that in the classroom communication, the teacher students speak in mother tongue. In target language, it means that no tolerance in mother tongue. Action and pictures are used to make the meanings clear. So the media of direct method is pictures and action. Next, reading approach. Reading approach is viewed as the most appropriate skills to have in a foreign language since many people did not travel abroad. Only the grammar useful for reading comprehension is taught. Reading comprehension is the only language skill emphasized. It means that the purpose of reading approach it is used to teach reading language skill. Next, audiolingual approach in 1939 until 1945. Audiolingual approach is based on the principles of behavior psychology. It means that psychology is an approach. Psychology is a theory in order to build audiolingual approach. Overcoming native language habits from the new target language habits. Vocabulary is strictly limited and learned in context. It means that vocabulary are related to the context in order to get the meaning based on natural situation. Interpret short periods of drill, about 10 minutes, with a very brief alternative activities to avoid fatigue fatigue, and boredom. Okay. Next, silent way or cognitive approach in 1960. This method is useful to create simple linguistic situations that remain under the complete control of the teacher. Silent way, it means that the teacher, English language teacher, teach the students with silent one. Okay. This method emphasizes the autonomy of the learners. Okay. Reading and writing are once again important as listening and speaking. It means that in silent way, the teacher use silent way in order to teach reading and writing language skills. Next, Suggestopedia or affective humanistic approach. It is born in 1976. So, class atmosphere is viewed as more important than materials or methods. It means that class atmosphere, the teacher needs to create the atmosphere in the classroom so that the situations become like the real one. Yeah. The teacher should be proficient in the target language and the student's native language, since translation may be used heavily in the initial stage to help students feel at ease. Later, it is gradually phased out. It means that the proficiency or the ability of the teacher in target language is really important. However, the students may use the mother tongues, or by using translation way, the teacher translate the target to the mother tongue, and it means that mother tongue and target language are permitted in the situations. Learners were encouraged to be S. Yeah? Okay, next, community language learning or CLL. In this community language learning, teacher plays a role as counselor and student as a client. So the role are really important in this community language learning, like counselor and client. Emphasize the sense of community in learning group. Community, it means to emphasize the language speaking skill of speaking by role playing. Yeah? There is no syllabus or textbooks to follow. The student determine the lesson themselves. It means that in community language learning, no syllabus, no textbook, as a guidance for this methods. Next, total cycle response. Total cycle response, it is the combination information and skills through the use of kinesthetic sensory system. It means that total cycle response, it is cycle the teacher needs to combine the cognitive one and the psychomotor one. Okay. The main aim is to reduce the stress. It is really useful for students in the playground, kindergarten and primary. Yeah, it is very useful because they are not able to learn more than 10 minutes. It means that the teacher needs to combine the way in order to teach by total cycle response. Students speak when they are ready. After learning to respond the oral comments, the students learn to read and write. It means that after responding, it is possible for them to read and write. It is unusual for senior or student at university. Most of them are shy to move around by total cycle response. Next, natural approach. This method emphasizes development of basic personal communication skills. It means that natural approach, the purpose of natural approach is to teach speaking. Focus of instruction is on communications rather than its form. Speech production comes slowly and is never forced. Early speech goes through natural stage, yes or no response, one word answer to complete sentence. It means that natural approach, it is really useful for teaching speaking. Communicative language teaching, it is a method. The method stresses on learning to communicate through target language. It means that the purpose of communicative language learning on teaching speaking by using target language, like in Indonesian, TEFL, the target language of TEFL is English. So it means that the situation in the classroom is use target language, English. Interact with others in the target language, negotiate meaning. Focus in on meaning, not form. It means that grammar is the last number, however meaning is the first number in communicative language teaching. It is versus, or it is not based on, it is contra to the translation grammar translation method, I mean. Okay, I think I have already explained you about translation methods in TEFL. I hope you can play these materials again and again so that you can understand, or you can search another source in order to enrich your knowledge about TEFL or method in teaching English as a foreign language. I think that's all. Goodbye. See you in the next video.